Hi everyone, my name is Pratik Joshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to manage time effectively on the GMAT exam. I'll be talking about three topics in particular. First is the quant section, second is the verbal section, third is the integrated reasoning section. How I manage my time effectively on these three sections, I'll be giving you a hint. Stay tuned, let's get started. So to start with the quant section, as you can see, this side there is a chart here. Now there are two columns. One is basically for the questions and the second one is basically for the time. Time is represented in terms of minutes, and the questions, I know that there are 31 questions, but there are 32 just for some extra time which you may need at the end of your question segment. Now as you can see in the first row, there is the number 4 and there is the number 56. So clearly, what does this mean? I'll be telling you right now. So basically, when you are done with 4 questions, you need to go back to the chart and check. So for 4 questions, the time remaining should be 56 or more. Now I know that you will be solving 4 questions and per question you need 2 minutes. But this is something that I have designed because the first questions will be quite easy. You need to solve these 4 questions within 6 minutes. If you do that, this chart will help you to ace the quant section because you will have at least 2 minutes to 3 minutes extra in between. So once when you are stuck with some difficult questions, you can have the liberty of spending some more time on that and ace that quant section. So now coming to the verbal section, as you can see, the numbers have been rearranged. Now for the verbal section, as you know, there are 36 questions and the time available is 65 minutes. So that is why since there is a different distribution required for this, I have actually found this chart on the internet, and that is why I'll just explain why this is the most effective timetable out there, because you cannot properly measure that you're going to answer every question after 1 or 1.5 minutes. It is not possible. So that is why I follow this chart. Once you are done with 6 questions, go to this chart, look. If you have around 55 minutes or more, you are doing great. So for the IR section, I guess the table speaks for itself. It is the shortest one and very simple, divided into 3 parts. You need to finish 4 questions for every 10 minutes. Completely up to you whether you want to answer it, skip it, or maybe just move on to the next one. But please make sure you at least answer something randomly. Go and select something if you don't have the time, but do not leave the question unanswered. So I guess that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go to my channel, check out my other videos regarding the GMAT Online, and I'll see you for the next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and all the best for your preparation.